We need ginger, peel off it, cut the ginger into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Now take it in a saucepan. Add a spoon of cumin seed. Add a green tea bag. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Add coriander leaf. Cover for 10 minutes. Strain it. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days. And store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.